Yesterday, when I first reached out to you, I was on my way to the dentist office to finish a dental implant. I was talking to you about dental care and how important it was. And I told you that I would show you my implant when it was done. And so I'm going to. I promised you I would, so I will. This is it, right back here. I had this, it took me a little over a year to do it. Most people, it doesn't take that long, but with my type 2 diabetes and the things that I had to do to prep for it, it just took a little longer than it would a normal person. But I'm very excited. My dentist worked with me. He was very patient, very gentle. And so now I have an implant that I'm very proud of. It's beautiful. I love it. And I highly recommend my dentist at Ace Smiles. His name is Dr. Lawless. They're in Liberty, South Carolina, just off of Highway 123. And they're only 10 minutes from Clemson, 10 minutes from Easley. I mean, it's just a lovely, a lovely dentist in a great location. So this is Amy with Amy on the Run. I'm going to take advantage of this dental work and my conversation with you yesterday to talk to you about dental health and about smile health and about how that affects your running. It's close to time to lace up and head out to the Doodle Trail tomorrow morning at sunrise at 6:34 a.m. I'm going to run the length of the Doodle Trail. But I'm going to start my process by talking to you about strengthening endurance from the inside out. And that starts with the mouth. Because as we've seen, a healthy smile isn't just a sign of wellness, it's a source of endurance. Every tooth is rooted in care. Every grin sparked by intention carries the strength to go that extra mile. Your performance does not start in your legs. It starts in your mindset, your breath, your grin, your brain. So take care of your mouth, train your smile, and let that joy ripple through every single stride. Can a good smile and good dental care support better running performance? Absolutely. Though it's not the first connection most runners make. Have you ever considered how your mouth might be holding back your miles, might be holding back your pace? We're going to dive into this surprising link between oral health, forced smiles, and running performance today. Running isn't just the legs and the lungs, it's a whole body endurance sport. And your mouth is the silent partner in this game. From breathing to inflammation, your dental health could be fueling or draining your performance. According to the Journal of Periodontology, C-reactive protein levels from gum disease can impact recovery speed. And your smile, or lack thereof, could be slowing you down too. Smiling, even when it's forced, can elevate your mood and improve performance through a mix of psychological and physiological effects. So you ask, how does oral health impact running? Well, breathing efficiency is a big part. Mouth breathing during runs can dry out your oral cavity, reducing saliva and increasing bacterial growth. Healthy gums and teeth help maintain better airflow and reduce inflammation that could affect your breathing. Inflammation and recovery affect your oral health. Gum disease triggers systemic inflammation, which can impair recovery and endurance. Studies show chronic oral infections may elevate markers like C-reactive protein that hinder your muscle repair and cardiovascular efficiency. Jaw tension and bruxism can present problems during a long run as well. Runners who clench their jaw or grind their teeth often face headaches, jaw pain, even fractures, and they tire out earlier. A custom mouth guard and dental care can reduce strain and sharpen focus. Hydration and saliva directly impact your tooth enamel. Dehydration cuts saliva flow. That's essential for neutralizing the acids and protecting your enamel. A dry mouth means more cavities and discomfort during long runs. Then there's the sugary sports drinks and tooth decay. They may present more trouble than we thought. Sugary drinks erode enamel. Choose low sugar or natural electrolyte options to protect your teeth while keeping you fueled. What about cardiovascular link? Healthy gums support better heart function. This is vital for endurance and stamina. So moving on, let's talk about the smile, even when you don't feel like it. As it turns out, your brain believes the smile. It doesn't believe what you're thinking, it believes what it feels on your face. Elite runners, they use smiling deliberately during races to stay relaxed and mentally strong. Facial feedback loops, smiling activates muscles that signal the brain to release dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, even if the smile isn't genuine. Can you believe that? Your smile is part of the runner's high. Wow. Reduce perceived effort. Runners who smiled during workouts reported lower exertion and improved mood compared to those who frowned. Improved running economy. Smiling reduces muscle tension and oxygen consumption. One study found a 2% improvement in running economy with intentional smiling. Sounds to me like this is something that's going to affect your VO2 max. Stress buffering. Smiling lowers heart rate and blood pressure, helping you stay calm and focused. It's also a mental distraction. It shifts attention away from fatigue, letting you push through the discomfort more easily. So here's a tip for some runners. Brush and floss daily, especially after consuming energy gels or drinks, and always brush your teeth after a run. Stay hydrated with water or sugar-free electrolytes. Use a mouth guard if you grind your teeth during runs. I know I do. Schedule regular dental checkups. I do that too. Practice nasal breathing when possible. Since I'm a mouth breather, I really have to practice that. Warm up with a smile. Use genuine smiles as part of your dynamic warm-up. This is one of the advantages of being a member of a running team, having a coach or a group of people that you run with, because you're always happy to see them and they always seem like they're happy to see you. Try interval smiling during recovery portions of interval training. Smile at trigger points, passing milestones, spotting nature, or think of someone you care about. Oh, and don't forget to smile when you run past that camera, because I can promise you, if you don't, that picture is going to show up on the front page of the website. It always does. Mirror affirmations before you run. Tell yourself, I run light, I run free, I run fast, and most importantly, I run with joy. End each run with reflection and a smile. You know, the cameras are still there. Rewire emotional memory with positivity. Smile for race photos. Show your friends what grit with grace looks like. Show yourself, for all that matters. Smiling isn't just a mood, it's a muscle memory. Activate it, anchor it, and let it shape your stride. We often think endurance lives in the legs or the lungs, but it begins elsewhere, in the breath, the mind, the heart, and yes, in the mouth. The science is clear. Inflammation, hydration, breathing patterns, and psychological resilience are all shaped by oral health. And the smile, it's a signal, a strategy, a spiritual stance, if you will. As Proverbs tells us, a cheerful heart is good medicine. Your smile isn't a decoration. It's a declaration. A well-cared-for mouth can elevate not just your health, but your hope. Smiling activates healing hormones, smooths your stride, and turns grit into grace. So honor your teeth, breathe with wisdom, and let each mile begin with intention. A healthy smile isn't just a sign of wellness, it's a source of endurance. Every tooth rooted in care, every grin sparked by purpose, carries the strength to go the extra mile. Smile like a runner who knows their edge. Smile like someone who believes in joy under pressure. Smile, and let the healing begin with your next breath. And if you're wondering where to start, I recommend Ace Smiles and Liberty, just 10 minutes from Easley, 10 minutes from Clemson. No sponsorship here, just the best care I trust and want to share with my favorite people. I'll put the link in the description. If this insight sparked something for you, hit subscribe and share it with a runner who could use this silent edge. I'll see you on the next run, smiling, strong, and ready. This is Amy with Amy on the Run. Let's go run.